ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum.
Sembut Menteri Rambak Kejela ubak Prestone Tensong ula penpai nia kelai ya kejingkran jong unoilam ke Voice of the People Party da ke baong ba banwan ra da ke ED ne ke CBI ban kenrai ki kambam sap kini Kejela. Ba Prestone loong ba kini kejingkran la Sngew Kumba ya ke ED bat ke CBI kila Thep hapala Lajong. Henry wat la kata uloong balada wan le ke ED ni ke CBI u kemen palat namar ba barok sikata la syukno baik la Kumba ba Prestone u syusyong sekretariat ban bamsap bat la da jabawan kita uang ka baha palat kenang bakan pau perthai la ka don sishan em kata ka jing bamsap namar ba barok sikata la syukno ba ka sarkar ka ba bamsap.
Let's say ke jing Thep boot menta ka ganti kata ka ke expectation ke jing community jong ki ba ngar ngakerpat begini ke angut ke MP Nasional Banutura. Namar pisu ya keren si keren baka NPP kita ki Prestone kita ki Kodrat kita ki Sngew bahapat ki ministers pok MDA ki besu bamsap ki bampong ki batu ki bathe. Banyak syai hok dak. Nga sombong ni nakaliang jomi ke government ni pediang Sngew wara no employ kan ni mari long dorbar hangte hapok parlimen ya keren no wood wara no ya kan ni pediang Sngew kenang bau pai ba untip kata ka jika ketin ka baksu ong bek ka bamsap la ke corruption ka bahadu kanu ngakwa ba upai ba untip Kumba kalok la ka dei sisane la ta kam dei ka e ka bapin perkat la ka dei ru kumno bapin perkat te nga welcome ya ka jingkren jong Presiden Ramba jong ke BPP ba undai ban penbor ya UMP jong u bat UMP jong ka kongres ba kin le kamploy ke ni mari long bin ba ban wara no ya ki di bat ka CBI hang ne hapo shilo. When I'm saying that because see the way they said as if the CBI is in their pocket, as if the ED is in their pocket. The moment means they want, means they can, easily bring, please come, go here, go there, go to this office, go to that office. That's what I'm saying. Even me, I said, I welcome. Because see, just saying, keep alleging that so and so, he's corrupted, so and so, full of corruption. It's good that people should know. That's what I'm saying. Because see, there are so many layers of process. How to go about it? Be it ED, be it CBI, or be it any agency, state or central agency. There are procedures, regulation, how to step in, and what are the nature of their cases, which ultimately leading to the stepping in of those agencies. So